Alright, a couple little tricks with the voice recognition. First thing I'll mention is that thing right there, that's the little microphone input. Now you'll notice on newer models like the DriveSmart, actually let me turn off this light, there we go, it's better. On the newer models like the DriveSmart 55, that the microphone hole is actually not in the front. This can pose a bit of a problem because when the mic is not facing you, sometimes it can't hear you. So if you're wondering why these older models can hear you better, well, that's why. It's because of the microphone placement. Just because a little bit of a design quirk. Well, anyway, let's get into it. The ordinary command in order to do this is this: voice command.
Say a command.
Now you can change this to OK Garmin, and I'll show you. Exit. Oops. Exit. Now in the DriveSmart 50, it may be in a little different spot in some other models, but I go to apps and then this. If I say it, it'll activate the menu. It's called the wake up phrase. So, and I manually, oops, I gotta use this one. Manually type it out, so. Alright, so now it says that.
Okay, Garmin.
Now when I say, okay, Garmin,
say a command.
It'll do it. So that's how to do that. And here's a couple of things you can do here. So exit. Oh, it's because my phone's in the way of my voice. Exit. Exit. Not always perfect, is it? So let's go back. Okay, let's give it a shot. Let me position my phone a little bit away from my mouth here. There we go. Okay, Garmin.
Say a command.
Find place.
Speak the name of a place.
Post office.
Searching for post office. Select a line number.
1.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yeah.
Select a line number.
Oh, I thought it said no. Okay. You can sometimes say yeah and it'll do it. 1. 1.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Yes.
Turn left on North Library Street, then take the first right.
Okay, Garmin.
Say a command.
Down. Time remaining.
You will be there in 9 minutes.
When you do this, that little window on the right.
Turn right on Frisco Square Boulevard.
That little window on the right will go away on its own. There it goes. Okay, Garmin.
Say a command. Turn right on Main Street.
Detour.
Creating detour. Turn left on Frisco Street, then take the first right.
Okay, Garmin.
Say a command.
Stop.
Route canceled.
Alright, so there's a few of them right there. You can do the time remaining thing. Some commands you can do without actually saying the full phrase. Okay, Garmin. Try it again. Okay, Garmin.
Say a command.
Note this one down here. Recent.
Select an entry.
1.
Would you like to begin navigation?
Navigate.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Main Street.
Okay, so anyway, there's a few little things you can do with this. The voice recognition has never been exactly perfect with this. You can see I had a little bit of an issue with it when I was talking to it and so on. But the thing to note here from the voice command is that yes, you can change the wake up phrase. You can disable it from here too also. If it constantly comes on during conversations in the car, yes, you can turn it off, thankfully. And again, bear in mind that microphone placement over here. So on newer units, well, if again, if the microphone is not facing you, sometimes you can get around that by putting the unit on the windshield and the sound will reflect off the glass to the unit. I know it sounds kind of weird, but that's true. That does work. And oh, there is one final thing I should note. In the top right corner, when it's showing a striped bar and not blocks, only when it shows blocks can it accept actual voice input. I'll give you an example. OK Garmin.
Say a command.
Now you saw up there. Now see how it's jumping around right now? Right there. Watch what happens when it thinks for a minute. Find place.
Speak the name of a place.
Now you saw, now during that part where it's gray and black, no. Oh, what's it gonna find? Sorry. This is gonna be interesting.
Did you say Grand Walk?
Sure, I'll go there. 1.
Searching for Grand Walk. Select a line number.
Ooh. Let me get out of this. Anyway, so, go in focus, please. So, there you go. A couple little tips, tricks, whatever, to get the voice command thing working. Oh, I guess I should show this last. To set it back to voice command, you do have to do that manually. So, wrench, wake up phrase. And I will use this button to erase the old phrase. VOIs. Alright.
Voice command.
Test it. Voice command. Voice command.
Say a command.
Yeah, sometimes it works.